I got another one, so fuck it, I don't care to swap it. Illegal 10, yeah, I don't care about these bitches stalking. I know it's hard not to be nosy about this shit, I got it. Yeah, I just got a brand new Cartier and she won't rock it. And where I come from, this ain't no status till you receive. I got beat.
Good morning, you beautiful people. What's up? You are not watching I Stay Josh, and I know I'm coming to y'all in the car, but I want to make sure you hear me, I hear you, we hear each other, okay? I want to make sure we are on point, we are on game. Simple as that. Anyways, what am I here to talk about? Guys, I've been hiding something. All right, we know, got a little hint that we're from, you know, I don't want to keep my privacy, my personal life a little personal. But yeah, we're done with Hawaii, okay? We out of there. Right now, I got the car being wrapped. Ooh, sorry about that, I'm a little tired. But right now, I got the car being wrapped. And I want to hit y'all with like a little surprise of what it looks like. So please check this out and let me know what you guys think. I think it's dope. I think it's amazing. And it's gonna come out really good. So I'll show y'all some of the pieces, and Monday's vlog is gonna be the reveal because I pick it up. Oh, I can't turn on red. What I want you guys to understand though, right? Let's just do a quick little breakdown of this. Is I don't have the wheels yet. They're currently in the mail. I feel like it's like DDE, man. Like I'm getting pieces of everything. The wrap will be done. I wanted to go with a plum purple. I love this Camaro right here that I seen on the internet. Nice, beautiful purple. But of course I didn't want to steal the theme. Your boy is verified now on Instagram, you know. Make sure your analytics and stuff like that is showing enough profiles coming in. So I'm verified. What I needed to do is find companies to work with. Right now, you can't find a company to do a wrap under $3,000 to $4,000. I reached out to some people and nothing. Honestly, I got ignored. I reached out to some shops that I know personally. I'm not gonna say any names, but I felt ignored. I felt like where I've been in the past, there's some big shops that have big clients, you know, and I haven't been sitting on my butt all day. I've actually been growing my brand. I've been growing my financial status and my life. And it doesn't matter if I ask for a job, I'm gonna pay the same amount of dollars and work and hours that the millionaires, billionaires, trillionaires that you work with pay. So never count someone out because their appearance. And that's something that I've been counting out a lot on. And I have different ventures, y'all. I didn't join the army to be rich, but I am at a position in my life that I make decent money, you know. And I say decent, anything over 6 figures is decent. So I make decent money, right? So if I want to wrap for $3,000 or $4,000, that equates to less than 5% of my yearly income. I don't understand how that's you know, gonna be hard for me. If I ask for something, I'm gonna do it. If I want to do something, I'm gonna do it. That's simply it. But anyways, so I found a shop. God willing, God bless. Allah, I've been looking out. Found a shop that say, hey, we see what you're doing on the internet. We would love to work with you. Just cover the material, or hey, just do this, or whatever the case may be. So we came up with a contract. We got a contract done, aka Bree, my manager, made sure that we got a contract. We found a great professional institute. They've been sending pictures along the way, showing me what they've been doing, and it looks dope as hell. It looks amazing, and I think that's super cool. So I've been getting pictures of the work. This is the first picture I got. I was like, ooh, baby, looking a little rough, you know what I'm saying, rough around the edges, but they taking her apart. They got the portion that's gonna be purple, they got the other portion that's gonna be black. But what we're doing is we're doing a peeling effect, like a flame effect. So we're gonna take the purple color that I like mostly, but we're also gonna add other colors in there to, you know, to do a little design. It's 2023, be a little bit unique. I haven't really seen a car with these colors or this design. I've seen the design with other colors in a sense, but this is custom. I'm gonna do how DDE do. This is the only Camaro, one of one Camaro with this wrap. All right. Now, I love the ZL1 Weatherly wheels. I love so many other wheels out there, but I know that I'm gonna be changing my wheels like I changed my wrap, and that's gonna be every year most likely. So I'm not gonna go too crazy. So I went with the ZL1 1LE replica wheels, which Again, the video when I expose everything is gonna be the reveal. The wheels come in next week, but the car come in 2 days. So I'm probably gonna do a wrap reveal, and then I'm gonna do a wheel reveal, and then I'm gonna do a wheel and wrap total video reveal. So this is gonna be probably a 3-part series. Hopefully y'all stick with me. In the comments below, let me know what you guys are thinking. I'm excited for this. I definitely want to see what it looks like. I had the itch for a new car for a while. I was gonna go C8. If I went C8, of course I can't get my hands on a Z06 anytime soon, so it'd have to be a C8 Stingray, and I just don't do basic. I'm not saying I'm spoiled and I'm better than anybody, but I'm not gonna buy a car that my car is faster than. My car outperforms the C8 Stingray, my ZL1. So why would I do that? You know, we did upper pulley, we did pulleys on the ZL1, we did E85, we did tunes, we did a bunch of different stuff on this to get me in a good power range. You guys see, years ago when I first got the car in like 2019, I raced a Lamborghini stock for stock, and he pulled on me about at 130. He started pulling slowly, beat me by like a car length. Right now, oh, that ain't happening. I'm smoking that boy. That ain't happening at all. So long story short, I just wanted to let y'all know what was coming. Hopefully you guys get excited. You know, again, this is the last picture I received of the car, so she's coming along perfectly fine, and I'm excited. I want y'all to be excited. We can all be excited, and yeah, that's simply it, man. Stay tuned. Fun things are coming. Great things are coming. Like I said, I think this is gonna be pretty awesome. Can't wait to share this with you guys. I can't wait to experience this with you guys, and it's gonna be super dope. So like, subscribe. I miss y'all, but I promise you, we in the States, we in the mainland now. Hey, to my buddy, Determined Veteran, I am in Pittsburgh, so we need to collab. We need to figure something out. Even if I come out there and just visit you, brother, I gotta meet you, because I don't know why I feel like I met you, but I've never met you, and that is so weird. So I gotta cross that out. I was hoping I had my bike, but I don't have my bike yet. You know how it is. PCS, get your household goods and then get your stuff. But I'm not trying to purchase anything or get my credit ran until I knock this house out. So that's what I'm gonna focus on first. But like I said, guys, I love y'all. I miss y'all. Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is where you guys are. And I'll see y'all later. So hopefully you're excited as I am, man. I'm ready to get this started. We're about to be pushing out content. We're about to be pushing out racing content. I'm gonna be taking the car to the track. I mean, we're back. We are back. I am not stuck on an island. You know, like, again, that thank you for your service. People understand, like, oh, you gotta go to war, this and that. No, I didn't go to war. But my sacrifice I've made to my family, other Americans don't have to make on a daily basis. You know, you get up to go to work down the road or downtown, even in another city. I get up to go to work in a whole 4,000 miles away for years, you know what I'm saying? Unable to see my family, because this is where the military, the United States military, the government, and my nation needs me to serve, needs me to fight, wherever the case is. So we say Roger, we keep it pushing, and we don't ask any questions. Or too much. You can ask some questions now. It's 2023. The Army is very flexible. You can ask questions of why, when, how, or, you know, why are we doing this? You're still gonna do it, but we want people to understand what they're doing and why they're doing what they're doing. It adds more importance to it. It adds more dedication and focus. If I tell you to move this trash can from point A to point B without telling you why, you're just gonna drag it along. But if I say, hey, can you move that trash can because the bottom is bad and it's about to start leaking, you're gonna maybe not drag it now. Maybe you're gonna ask a friend to help lift it and add some support to the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Add a little more context. Or if I tell you what you're doing in your mission and why you're doing that mission, it adds more importance to it. It makes us, if you care about it, if you understand it better, you're gonna treat the whole thing better. I don't know, I'm starting to blab off, so let me get off, because I miss y'all and I could talk all day. You're not watching I Stay Josh, and stay blessed, stay American. And if you're not American, stay whatever nation you are with. Stay blessed, love it, support it. Tell your loved ones you love them. You don't know what day will be your last, but this ain't my last vlog. Peace.
I got another one, so fuck it, I don't care to swap it. Illegal 10, yeah, I don't care about these bitches stalking. I know it's hard not to be nosy about this shit, I got it. Yeah, I just got brand new Cartier and she won't rock it. And where I come from, this ain't no status till you receive. I got VDS diamonds, yeah, they sitting right on my teeth. I buy two of everything, I like little baby, what I see. Home, she got a twin, I can't meet with one, I need three. I know you seen the kid, yeah, I made 100 in a week. Still got so much dirty money.